How to get Instagram API key. Hello everyone, welcome back to this video where I'm going to show you how you can easily get the Instagram API key. So in order to do it, you first need to go to Facebook for developers, and then you just have to create your account on it if you haven't already. After creating your account, you need to click on the option of My Apps in the top right hand corner of the screen, and then click on the Create App option. Then you need to select the type of the app that you want to create. For accessing the Instagram API, you can select for everything else. Then you need to fill in the necessary details like the app display name, contact, email, etc., and then click on Create App ID. Afterwards, you just have to go to the dashboard and click on add a product. Then you need to find Instagram and click setup. In the Instagram product setting, you need to click on basic display, and then you need to scroll down and then tap on create new app under the Instagram basic display section. Then you need to fill in the required details, and then you just have to click on the create button. Now is the time to generate an access token. For that, you just have to scroll down to the user token generator section, and then you need to click on generate token to get a short lived access token. To get a long lived token, you need to use the short lived token in a request to the endpoint. Then if your app requires access to your data or other advanced permissions, you will need to submit it for review. Then you need to provide the necessary details and explanation for why you need the requested permissions. Here you need to make sure that you read and comply with the Instagram's platform policies. Depending on your app's need, you might need different permissions which may require a detailed review by Instagram. So with the help of these instructions, you will be able to easily get an Instagram API key. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.